I think we sold out within 2 days.
Islands, and has made this, which I think is the best vinegar you can buy.
That's just unprecedented and a massive leap from what we were doing. Basically got from homebrew kit to a proper brewery, which is amazing. And this is a 1,000 litre brew kit. Before we were doing it in 100 litres. It's a bit more streamlined now. We've got staff and I can just focus on development and producing, which is a great position to be in. We're working on a few seaweed flavours as well. We've got sugar kelp and smoked red dulse, both very different flavour bases, and we're just taking whatever we can get from the island. That, you know, we go and pick it ourselves. We don't order things in just wrapped in plastic and loads of packaging and stuff. We're just literally taking ingredients from our surrounding area. We've got 5 lines at the moment, so that's honey and meadowsweet. Meadowsweet is flower right now. That's a nice job. That's the nice part of Orkney Craft Vinegar, just going out and picking the ingredients. And the rhubarb, we put out an appeal on Radio Orkney. We got 3 tonne of rhubarb back, so we're just flat out making that at the moment as well. And then we've got both malt flavours, which are the Bear malt and the Highland Park malt, which we use the floor malted, peat smoked Highland Park malt. And we've got a exclusive partnership with Highland Park as well, and we're using just their barrels, which are either bourbon or sherry cask. It's just always what I've had in my mind, but it's just the creativity comes, and we do a test, a pilot, and if it works, we'll sell it. If it doesn't, then we won't. I mean, it's got to taste good first and foremost, and second, it's got to be sustainable.